Hi, Minnie and Guy. My name is, and I'm 7 years old and a big fan of the show. I want to introduce you to my invention, the handy dandy 5D sensory hat. Humans have amazing senses. We have the ability to touch, hear, see, taste, and smell. But with the 5D sensory hat, you can amplify all 5 senses to become super senses. How is this useful? Allow me to demonstrate. As you can see, there are 5 symbols on the side. Hearing, tasting, seeing, touching, and smelling. First, I'll put the setting on hearing to hear just like an owl. Then put the helmet on and turn up the volume. Now you can hear like an owl, which is 10 times more sensitive than a human. Wow, I think I hear a fly in the room. Better go get my fly swatter. These are glasses to improve your vision to see like a tiger or an eagle. You want to smell like an elephant? Smell like an elephant? Here's a snorkel that increases your sense of smell. These are antennas. They give you the ability to touch like an ant or a catfish. And this tongue enhances your sense of taste. This one is modeled after a bee's mouth. All these tools are examples of biomimicry, which is reverse engineering from nature to help out us humans. Thank you for watching my video. I hope this gizmo of mine will help you experience the super senses on your next show. Keep on wowing.